Welcome to the workshop, Breaking Free 101. I hope this will be a productive and healing time for you. I hope you will feel safe and want to share with each other, but it's certainly not required. You're all here because you're experiencing abuse of one form or another, and it's beginning to or has already affected your health. This workshop is designed to give you tools and resources to make the necessary changes in your life. First, I wanted to explain the logo chosen for the League. It's a simple, beautiful, and common daisy. After doing a little research, I learned about the daisy from ftd.com. Who knows more about the daisy than FTD, right? The daisy is a symbol of love and new beginning. What better way to demonstrate that self-love than by designing your own new beginning? Today we'll start by discussing your situation. How long has this been going on? What brought you here today? What was the breaking point? What do you expect to accomplish from our time together today? Let's start by going around the room and introducing ourselves. I'll start. My name is Marcy Trudeau. I started the Women's League for Better Lives in 1993. A friend whom I suspected was being abused showed up on my door late one rainy evening saying she'd had enough and didn't know where else to go. She didn't even have an overnight bag or change of clothes with her. Naturally, I took her in and we talked nearly all night. My brother, who recently completed his medical residency, agreed to see her. Her blood pressure was sky high and she was dangerously thin from not eating. She admitted she was afraid to eat because her boyfriend liked to put things in her food just to watch her reaction when she got sick. Her eyes were sunken from not sleeping, fearing what he would do if she fell asleep. Thankfully, most nights he fell asleep in a drunken stupor. I knew I had to do something for her. Then why not other women? I want to go around the room and count off 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember your number. Marianne, why don't you start, and you'll split up into 4 groups. We have 4 stations that everyone will have a chance to participate in. Each group is tied to the color of a daisy. You can tell which group is which by the colored placards on the wall. We have the blue group, white group, pink group, and golden group. After you've attended 2 classes, there will be a 10-minute break. There are refreshments on the table by the door, and the restroom is out the door to the right. The blue group is the group over in that corner. The mediator is a woman named Kim who has been a clinical therapist for the last 8 years and can offer insights into his controlling behavior. You'll discuss what triggers him and how to minimize it, how to de-escalate a tense situation, and learn to be forceful but not aggressive. Feel free to discuss other topics that come to mind. The white group will discuss your health. Remember my brother from medical school? He's here today to listen to you and offer suggestions. You can call him Dr. Sam. He can help you learn how to eat healthier, learn to control your blood pressure, and how to manage your type 2 diabetes mellitus, and many other things. Next is the pink group. It's mediated by a member of my staff, Carolyn. You can discuss the resources you have, if any, and let her know what resources are most important to you. She'll help you determine resources that can help you, such as, do you have a cell phone that cannot be traced? Do you have a car ready to go at a minute's notice? Do you have some, even a little bit, of money saved? Do you have a friend you can immediately stay with until we can help? She'll connect you with someone who can help you. I think you'll be surprised how much community support we have by the wide variety of resources we have available, from places to stay for various lengths of time, to counseling, to job seeking, to child care when job seeking. This leads me to our last group, the golden group. This is a resume writing and job seeking group. It is mentored by my husband Frank, who, although not a professional resume writer, has years of experience updating his own resume and proofreading resumes of friends and colleagues. He'll talk about topics such as resume writing and job hunting. What kind of previous work experience do you have? Do you want a better education or want to learn a vocation? What kind of marketable skills do you have? He can suggest things you may not consider marketable that can really help you. Each group will meet for 45 minutes to an hour. Please feel free to participate or just take notes. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Each group will have handouts and literature that will help you when you leave. Please note that the League's phone number is on every handout so you can easily get in touch with us. Every night, a member of the staff rotates and takes the cell phone home so you don't have to worry about getting help between 8 and 5, Monday through Friday. When our time in the sessions is done, we'll gather back here together and discuss what helped you the most, what you came looking for but didn't find, and where you'd like to start. Thanks for coming today, and let's get you started on the road to a better life.